Hello everyone. So Windows updates is a monthly thing that everyone goes through on their Windows PC. If it's Windows 10, 11, 7 is no longer supported, so you won't be getting updates anyway. If it's servers, server 2012 or 2016, 2019, and so on, you still need to get updates on your machine every month. So I find it that it's somewhat not streamlined in Windows 11 or on the newer servers now. So I like to do it actually via PowerShell, and I will show you how to set this up. If it's Windows 11 or if it's Windows 10, server 2016 and up. So 2016, 2019, and I think 22 is the latest one. Um, So here's what you need to do first. You need to run PowerShell as an administrator. So just do a start or do a search and type in PowerShell and then run as administrator. And you have to give it permissions. And I have a cheat sheet, so I'm just going to copy and paste things, and I'll put that in the description for you. So in Windows 11 and Windows 10, you have to change the execution policy. Otherwise, you will not be able to install this PowerShell Windows Update module. All right. So first thing you want to do is run this command: Set-ExecutionPolicy. This will allow you to install the next step, which is install module PowerShell Windows Update. So all I'm doing is just copying and pasting into this window, and let that just download what it needs. It should be straight and forward. You just say yes to all or A to all, depending on the module. So here I'm just going to say yes. I want to install this particular package and let it just do what it needs to do. Once this is done, you're pretty much set. It has to install the repository that it needs, which is essentially a Microsoft repository where it gets the updates from. So now that you have all this installed, you can get a list of the updates. So what you want to do is just type in Get-WindowsUpdate, hit enter, give it a minute or so or 30 seconds depending on how many updates your machine needs, and it'll give you a list of all the updates your machine needs at the moment. So now we can do Install-WindowsUpdate. Now you can do two things here. You can do -accept-all, and this will literally just accept all the updates on your machine automatically, and it will just download it and install them. If you don't put the switch here, it'll ask you each individual update if you want to install it or not. So you would hit yes or no. I'm just going to do all of them all at once, let it just do what it needs to do. And that's pretty much it. It's not rocket science. It's pretty straightforward. As you can see right here, I accepted all, and now it's just going to start downloading them. Once it's downloaded, it's going to give me a prompt if I want to reboot. Press Y for yes, reboot the machine, and you can just repeat the process. Couple other things that I like to see is the status. If my machine needs to be rebooted, you can just put this in, Get-WURebootStatus, and it'll say true or false. Sometimes that's very useful if you're not sure if your machine needs, if it has like a pending reboot due to updates that were installed in the background. The other thing is if you want to get a list of updates via PowerShell, this is the command to use. Get-HotFix, pipe it to sort object installed on -descending, which will give you the latest at the top and the oldest updates at the very bottom. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comments, please let me know. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll help you out any way I can. Alright, thanks.